Hello, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the Tread Pro side mount kit that we have from Proud Rhino. What that kit allows you to do is mount your treads on the vehicle like so. Gives it an amazing look. We've been doing this on factory racks since Discovery 5. You might also remember that they used this same setup on the Trek units for Discovery 5 and Trek units for Defender. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to put the kit together and put it on. Super simple. Won't take you long. You can easily do it by yourself. So cue the intro. We'll meet back here. We'll go over these pieces. Before we get into the installation, I'm dedicating this video to our friends at the Northeast Land Rover Club. In the kit, you're going to get 2 pieces of metal and a bunch of hardware. I've installed hardware in these just to speed up the process, but what you get is a bolt. We're putting it through the back side, put on a lock washer, throw the nut on. You're going to do that 4 times. I'm going to tighten this up. Perfect. So you should have your 2 mounting brackets looking like this with the studs in place. We're going to move up to the roof, drop in the little channel pieces, and I'll talk about readjusting the rack up there. So see you on the roof. Okay, up on the roof, there's a couple of things to do. One, since we're using Project 90, we would normally have to move this roof rail. I've already had them installed. So the roof rail used to be here. I moved it back. If you're doing a 110, it's really close. On the 110s, we start with the second step in on the roof rack. On the 90s, we're going to start here. And then how do you align them is the next question. These holes right here, line them up with the track. So back here, I would line it up center on the track. Okay, that's my first mounting point. Second mounting point is going to be the center in this track. And a lot of the roof racks have these rubber strips. You will need to remove some of the rubber strip to make way for the mount. If you do need to move them, or you got a 90 and you have to move them, it is a T30 Torx, tamper-proof. That means it's got a little hole in it. So you just gotta put it in, loosen it up. Don't take them out, just get them loose, give them a tap, tighten it back down. That brings us to the next step, which is dropping in the hardware. In the kit, you're going to have 4 of these little black T-slots. They drop into the factory rail. Sometimes, if you like, you can drop them in with the nut in it, but I find it easier just to move them with my fingers. You're going to need 2 at both locations. Get those loosely in place. You're going to take your side mount, which goes like so, and align the bolts through it. In the back, it uses the 2 rear bolts. In the front, it uses the 2 front bolts. It's just the way the rack is designed. So it was easier to make 3 holes instead of 2 pieces. So we might as well hyperspeed this. I'll get these on, tightened up, and then we can put the treads on. Now that the mounting points are secure, all you have to do is put your treads on. Remember, the big holes is what we're aligning it to. There we go. And the next one. Perfect. Also in the kit, you're gonna have little whizzy wheels you can tighten the treads down with. Do that 3 more times and this job is done. All right, guys, hope it was helpful. See you on the next one.